Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative World. I am Dhruvi Shah and today I am going to tell you about some important questions for repeater exam 2022 of GSCB class 12 science. Today I am going to cover lesson number 5, 6 and 7 of physics, which is the magnetism part in this video. So make sure you see it till the end. Okay, let's start. The first is properties of magnetic field lines. It is most important for 2 marks and it is going to ask in your exam. It is asked since 5 years in board, so make sure you prepare it. Then the second is axial field of a finite solenoid. It is so important from derivation point of view. Third is dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Make sure you prepare the third question for 3 marks. Fourth, Gauss law of magnetism. This is the most important question of this whole chapter, so it may ask in 3 or 4 marks. You have to prepare this also. Then fifth is dynamo effect. It is important for 2 marks. Magnetic declination and dip. It is also important for 2 marks, and remember the formulas for numericals. Then seventh is Meissner effect. It is also important for 2 or 3 marks. And eighth is diamagnetism, paramagnetism and ferromagnetism. These are 2 marks question important, but they may ask some examples in MCQs, so make sure you prepare it. Next, lesson number 6 is electromagnetic induction. I have selected 5 questions from this chapter which is most important, and if you do this much then you will score definitely very good in your exams. First is Faraday's law of induction. It is most important for 3 marks. Second is Lenz's law, important for 2 marks. Third, motional EMF, important for 3 marks. Mutual and self induction, formulas, derivation and theory. Fourth question is important for 3 things and you must prepare it for 4 marks. AC generator, you have to prepare it with theory and derivation formulas, and figure is much important. If you will not draw the figure, you may not get full marks, so make sure you prepare it. Seventh lesson is alternating current. It is the most hard chapter of this whole magnetism part. So guys, I am not going to ask you to do all the numericals from example and exercise, but you can do the theory. These are the simple 6 questions which are most important for your exam. I have selected. You just do this theory and you will going to score definitely very good in your exam. Okay, the first is AC voltage for resistor, second for inductor and third for capacitor. You have to do these 3 questions for 2 marks. Fourth, LCR series. You have to do phasor and analytical both. If there is no, if in the paper you have not get particular question, but if it is written phasor then you have to do just phasor, and if it is written analytical solution then only do analytical, but anything is not written then do both. Then sharpness of resonance, Q factor derivation is most important for 5th question. It may ask in 4 times. It is asked in previous years also, so make sure you prepare it. And 6th, LC oscillations. 7th, transformers. In transformers I have seen that reasons for flux leakage is asked in 2 marks, so you have to prepare this 7 questions from this chapter. So guys, it is very much important video for those who are going to appear in July exam. For more such videos, please make sure that you all like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.